Hi friends, in today's video I want to show you how to do this really cool transition, which is a really nice wipe for showing off your before and after if you're doing grading in DaVinci Resolve. Right, so I've got these two clips here. One is of this very nice lion. This is before it's been graded, and the clip immediately afterwards has been graded with DaVinci Pro. So it'd be nice to be able to put this transition showing this as before and this is after. And this is really easy to do. So we go up to where we have effects. Then we're looking for this edge wipe. If you can't find it, then to do a search for it, like doing edge, you should see edge wipe. Drag that guy on and drop it onto the transition point between the two clips till you see this white rectangle. So that transition is now in place. And if you let it play the clip, you can see it's already got that nice effect. So if you click on the transition and then click on where it's got transition at the top right corner here, you can then actually do some modifications to it. So for example, if you want to change or have maybe a sort of border between the two, you can click on where it's got border and we can increase that slightly. And we've got this sort of white bar here, and I'm just going to change the border size to something a bit more sensible, perhaps something like that. And now if you play the transition, we have this white line as part of the wipe. Of course, you can change the color if you want to. The other thing you can do, which is quite nice, is you can change the direction of the wipe. So at the moment it's going vertically like this, and perhaps you want to make it go left to right. So where we have the angle, we can change it to say 90 degrees. And now we have a horizontal transition. And let's do the same thing for this clip here. I've got a clip of this sort of forest, and then we got it graded. So I'm going to take the edge clip, drag it onto and create a transition. We have the vertical one by default. Now what we can do is we can also change the angle. So where we have the angle here, I'm going to maybe change it to something like 25. And now we've got the transition going like at an angle here, which is pretty cool. If we combine that with our border, perhaps like this, I think that looks very nice indeed. So this, guys, is a very simple but effective way of being able to do a really cool transition if you're doing a before and after video clip in DaVinci Resolve. Hope it's useful, and of course don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I shall see you soon on another video.